Hello and welcome to this course. My name is Indra and I will be your instructor for this course. In this course, we will be learning all about HTML from the very basics to the advanced level. Okay? We will start by installing the necessary softwares which we need to write HTML code locally, and we will see all of the things which HTML offers, and we will gradually increase our knowledge to the advanced level of HTML. I am super excited for this course, okay? And you do not have to have any sort of prior programming knowledge to follow along this course. This is a very beginner friendly guide to learn HTML. I hope that you will enjoy this course. If you want to become a web developer, then the knowledge of HTML is very important. Okay, so this is the first step which you can take to become a successful web developer. Okay, I hope that you will enjoy this course. So let's get started.